Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the Hot Rod Workshop. Today, we're gonna go pick up John and we're gonna go head back to that junkyard. Last time we were there, we found a 65 Ford Falcon that had a 46 Ford front axle assembly sitting in the trunk. Looks like somebody threw it in there to come back and get it later and totally forgot about it. So we're gonna go pick it up. True.
The best part is it worked.
Mm-hmm.
Still maybe one aluminum, the rest are like plastic rockers. Yeah, this one has the fluid drive on it. Unacceptable! Still as manly as you can.
No, I just got it to
Leave the frame. Oh, geez, now you're hitting me with sticks and shit, man. Throw the truck away. Scraped it. Perfect. Let's go.
just like that, right?
Yep, just like that. $60. Hey, look at that. It's got the same axle width as this.
Like it was meant for.
Perfect. And it's like it's got its own little holders in there. It's not going to bang around all kinds of crazy like it will.
Like it will. Came out? Came right out. Damn. Shit, I hope I have to go with a bigger clamp. Yeah. Okay. What'd you do? don't think you guys can see that, but it's 100 degrees in the shop. And I gotta be honest, that sucked. That sucked from beginning to end. The one spring perch had a decent castle nut that I could take off. The other one was, it must have been exposed to rain its entire life because there was nothing left of it. So I had to cut my way through it. And so needless to say, that side, that spring perch was an absolute nightmare. But hey, hot rodding, you know what I mean? Turns out the Smith is just too small to do this kind of work. They do have rosebud attachments, but they're like 75 bucks. And I don't, you know, it's a smaller torch. I tend to keep it that way. So I grabbed this Victor from the 9 to 5 gig, and it already had the rosebud tip on it, and that made a world of a difference. But I gotta be honest, it's pretty satisfying getting those perches out of there. All right, I once again want to take the opportunity to thank the subscribers. I just passed 1,000 subscribers about a week ago, and that's unreal, guys. I really can't believe I made it this far. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I hope you guys are having fun watching. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing, and just give me a moment of your time for every one of these videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.